use run functions in our dPlat, and the two main functions are .text and .run brackets, right? So as you can see, we've got one input box here called input1. Let's add a smart contract. So I've got a simple NFT already added, and then I've added a function to it, or a method. So here, like this. Let me just delete this one. And here in function 2, let's say it mints something, right? So what I want to mint is the data that I input, right? And how do I get that data? So I do input1 dot text, right? Dot text is basically how you get the data from an input box, a text box, or any kind of input that the user sends. You get it through dot text. Or if it's some kind of a data, then you do dot data, like from a file picker or a camera, right? Now let's move on to how you run a function, right? So a function could be a smart contract function, right? And in this button, I want to run the mint function. So how do we do that? You click on the on-click action, navigate to execute a smart contract, and then you run that function. So it'll be function name dot run brackets. That's how you basically run a function. So whenever the user clicks on this button, this function will run. And these are the two main run functions that we use in our dPlat. Thank you.